Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to your next KG2 class. Today we are going to do our English work. Take out your English book, Words of Letter. Open your book, page number 17. Page number 17. First, write today's date, 11th August 2020. Write CW. Read the heading, let's meet the letter N. And the sound is N. Fill in the missing letters to complete the crossword. We are going to do the crossword today, and we have to write the beginning sound in the crossword. Which sound we are doing today? N. Sound is N. Which number is this? 9. The beginning sound is N. N. 9. What is this? Nip. Beginning sound N. N. Nip. N. 9. N. Nip. So write N in this box and N in this box. This will become 9 and this will become nip. Come to the next picture. This is a nest. This is a net. Beginning sound of net, N. And the beginning sound of nest is also N. So write N net, N nest. Now read again. N 9, N nip, N net, N nest. Very good. Shall we repeat again? N 9, N nip, N nest, N net. You have to trace N in between written over here. Start from here and end on this line. Read while writing N. Now, read this. Read, trace and write. What you have to do? You have to write in the blue line on the dots. We have to trace and then we have to write. And remember, always read while writing. What you have to do? Touch the dots and write N. This is a grass letter, so we have to write the grass letter in the blue line. Very good. In the top line we have to trace, and in the next two lines we have to write N. 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 N 9, N nip, N net, N nest. Now, I can draw something beginning with N. We have to draw a picture begins with N. I have drawn a net from here. You can also draw a nest, 9 or nip. So let's start coloring. We have to do blue color in the net, the upper part with pink, and the fish with yellow color. Now write N E T net. N E T net. Which letter? N. Sound is N. Read this. N 9, N nip, N net, N nest. I have drawn a net and you have to do the same work at home. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Hello class, welcome again. This is your KG2 class for English. Today we are going to do a new letter. Open your page number 18. Write today's date, 11th August 2020. Write CW. Read the heading. Let's meet the letter M. Which letter we are going to read today? M. And the sound is M. Letter is M. Sound is M. Let's read the question. Fill in the first letter for the given picture. What you have to do? You have to fill the beginning sound with the help of picture. Which picture is this? Mirror. Beginning sound M. So we have to write M on these dots. Then it will make mirror. Let's write M. Sound M. M. Mirror. M. Mirror. M. Mirror. Very good. Next letter. Again M. Yes. What is this? Mango. Mango. Which sound? Mango. Beginning sound is M. So again write M. M. Mango. Very good. Come to the next picture. What is this? This is a moon. Moon. Beginning sound? Moon. So we have to write M again. Moon. Next picture, monkey. Listen to the sound monkey. Beginning sound M. Again, you have to write M. Monkey. Next picture, mat. Always listen to the sound and then write. Beginning sound mat. Mat. We have to write mat. 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 Next picture, mother. Listen to the sound again. Mother. Beginning sound M. Right over here. Mother. Mother. Now you can see this M written in between. We have to trace on the dots and make a sound and a letter M. Start from here. Write on the dots and do your work very neatly. Read again. Mirror. Mango. Moon. Monkey. Man. Mother. Next question was, lead the monkey to the mango by drawing a line. You can see a monkey and a mango. This monkey wants to eat a mango. So we have to trace a line from monkey to mango. Take your pencil, touch the monkey and come to the mango. Very good. Now come down, read, trace and write. What you have to do? You have to trace these letters and write down. M is also a grass letter. So we have to write M in the blue line. Catch both the blue lines while writing M. Shall we start? Write from here and do your work very neat. Please touch the dots and then write. And remember, read while writing. Now, this was tracing line. Now this we have to write. Touch the blue lines while writing. Read and write. Monkey, mother, mat, mirror, moon, mango, whatever. You can say anything. Now, I can draw something beginning with M, ma. You can draw mirror, monkey, moon, mat, mother, whatever. I have drawn a mango. So, you also have to draw a mango. Color it yellow. And the coloring should be very nice. Don't let your colors come out from the line. Color the mango yellow and the leaf with green color. Then write ma, A-N-G-O, mango. What it will become? Mango. This was page number 18. Sound was M, ma. Read again. Ma mirror, ma mango, ma moon, ma monkey, ma mat, ma mother. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Hello class. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to your next KG2 class for maths. Today we are going to do our maths work. Take out your maths books, word of numbers. Open your books, page number 28. Today we are going to do page number 28. Write today's date, 11th August 2020. Write CW. Read the heading, numbers with thumbprints. Color and fill in the numbers from 1 to 20. You all know the counting from 1 to 20. What we have to do, we have to fill the missing letter box, these circles with missing numbers. You have to write, you can see it's written 1, 2, what comes after 2? 3, you have to write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we have to write 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. After writing this, we have to color the turtle with green color. In this turtle, you can see these shells. What you have to do? You have to take your paint and with the help of your thumb, you have to paint all these shells with brown color. Which color? With the help of brown color. Take paint of brown color. With the help of your thumb, you have to print all these shells with your thumb and the paint. I have done with the color. If you don't have paint, don't worry. You can color these shells with brown color also. Is that clear? You have to color or you have to make a thumbprint with your thumb. If you don't have your paint for thumbprint, don't worry. Take your brown color and color all these shells as I have done for you. You can see? Now take your green color and color the face with green color and all the body part of this turtle with green color. Color it very properly. Don't let your color come out from the line. Color the face, legs and the tail with green color and the upper part of the shell with brown color or the brown paint. You have to thumbprint with your thumb on these shells. You can see. Now what you have to do after coloring this, come down. Read this question, count and write how many things you see in the picture. What you have to do? Count and write. What you have to count and write? How many things you can see in the picture. You can see this picture. How many pictures? What things you can see? You can see butterfly, you can see turtle, you can see flowers. So what you have to do, you can see this flower. You can see on the page. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers you can see on this picture? 5 flowers. So we have to write 5 with this flower in the box. Write 5 in this box because we have read 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Come to the next box. Which picture is this? Butterfly. Which picture is this? Butterfly. You can see butterfly on this page. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are there more butterflies? No. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write 4 in this box. Now, which picture is this? Turtle. How many turtles are there on this page? Yes, only one. We can see only one turtle on this page. So, we have to write 1. How many flowers? 5. How many butterflies? 4. And how many turtles? 1. 5 flowers, 4 butterflies, and 1 turtle. Come to the next page, page number 29. This work is also very easy. You all know the counting from 1 till 20. You don't have to write the counting over here. What you have to do, write the date, 11th August 2020. Write CW. Read the question. I can paste and count. Paste the number stickers. What you have to do? You have to paste the number stickers from 1 to 20 on the number wall. This is your number wall. You have to paste 1 till 20 with the stickers. You don't have to buy the stickers from the shop. You can see the back side of this book. This. What you have to do? You can see these numbers. It's written from 1 till 20. You have to remove a sticker from here, as I am doing. You can take one. Open this page number 29 again, and you have to paste this one on this box. You can see I have done for you. You have to paste the number stickers over here from here. I have done one for you. Take out number 2 and paste number 2 on this block. And same you have to do till 20. After writing 2, paste 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have to paste the numbers from this page. This was your homework. Page number 28 and 29. See you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to your next KG2 class. Today we are going to do our maths work in copy. Take out your maths copies. Open your copy. Today we are going to do tables. What we are going to do? Tables. Which table? Table of 2, 3 and 4. First we have to make a title page of table. Take a new page and write tables. Write the number of the tables. Which tables we are going to do? We are going to do number of 2, 3 and 4. After writing this, come to the next page. Draw a margin line. Please class, always start your work with the margin line. Draw a margin line and then start your work. First, we have to write the date, 11th August 2020. Heading, which table we are doing? Table of 2. Write CW. CW means classwork. Then leave 2 lines from the top and 2 lines with the margin line. Start your table from the middle page. 2 multiplication sign, 1 equal sign, and then 2 ones are 2. Same again, write 2 multiplication sign, number 2 is equal to what we have to write? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Very good. This 2 will add with this 2. It will become 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Continue this table till number 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then write 2, 3 what will it become? 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. What you have to do with this number, we add this number. 2 plus 2 will become 4, 4 plus 2 will become 6, 6 plus 2 will become 8, 8 plus 2 will become 10. Again 10 plus 2 will become 12. So 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Very good. Repeat your table at least 5 times. Start from here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Which table we have done today? Table of 2. Please catch the lines while writing your table. Read after every number. Then you have to write the table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Learn this table at least 5 times. Write in your rough copy and read while writing. This was your table for today. Table of 2. Same work you have to do in your homework copy of maths. Draw margin line, make title page, write the date, heading, CW, and then start your table. Read while writing your table in your homework copy also. Learn this table by heart. See you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your class KG2. आज हम KG2 में उर्दू का काम करेंगे. अपनी उर्दू की माइंड क्विज की कॉपी निकालिए. सफ़ा नंबर 27. सबसे पहले आज की तारीख लिखेंगे 11 अगस्त 2020. CW जमात का काम. ऊपर की हेडिंग पढ़ेंगे. भारी आवाजें पढ़ें और लिखें. जो दशमी है क्या होती है हमारी? भारी आवाज. जैसे हमने पहले पढ़ा था भ फ थ ध ढ. आज हम पढ़ेंगे काफ से. काफ के साथ दो तश्मीह मिलाएंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? ख। क्या बन जाएगा? ख। ख। और जब हम इसको लिखेंगे, इस तस्वीर से मिलाएंगे, तो ये क्या तस्वीर बनी हुई है? खेत। शुरू की आवाज देखें, भारी आवाज में आ रही है, खेत। खेत तो नहीं पढ़ सकते, ये खेत है, तो भारी अल्फाज लगाने के बाद ये बन जाएगा खेत। इसी तरह घ, गाफ को घ से मिलाएंगे, बन जाएगा घ। किसकी तस्वीर है ये? घड़ी। अब हम जब घड़ी का मतलब नाम लेते हैं, बोलते हैं घड़ी, तो स्टार्टिंग इसकी बिगिनिंग साउंड क्या आता है? शुरू की आवाज क्या आती है? भारी आवाज में, घ। घ घड़ी, घ घड़ी, ख खेत, घ घड़ी, घ घड़ी। जिस तरह से ऊपर लिखा हुआ है उसी तरह से आपने पूरे सफ़े पर घ लिखना है, सॉरी ख और खेत, घ घड़ी। फिर से पढ़ेंगे, ख खेत, घ घड़ी। मुश्किल नहीं है, काफ की आधी शक्ल बनाएंगे और दो तश्मीह को उसका दोस्त बना देंगे, तो ये बन जाएगा ख। इसी तरह काफ की आधी शक्ल और दो तश्मीह को इसका दोस्त बना देंगे। फिर ये की आधी शक्ल और ते की पूरी शक्ल, खेत, ख ये ते, खेत। फिर घ की आधी शक्ल, दो तश्मीह को इसका दोस्त बनाएंगे, रे को लाइन से नीचे और छोटी ये, रे के ऊपर छोटी तौय, क्या बन जाएगा? घड़ी। घ रे छोटी येड़ी, घड़ी। ख खेत, घ घड़ी। इसी तरह सफ़ा नंबर 28, बहुत आसान है, ये आपने घर से करना है। सबसे पहले आज की तारीख लिखेंगे, 11 अगस्त 2020, सफ़ा नंबर 28, 11 अगस्त 2020। क्लास का काम CW, क्या करना है? ऊपर से देख के भारी हुरूफ लिखने हैं। हम पढ़ते हैं इसको, भ फ थ, बे के साथ है तो भ, पे के साथ है तो प, ते के साथ है तो थ। इसी तरह सफ़ा नंबर 29, इसको पूरे सफ़े को करना है, 28 वाले को ऊपर से देख के नीचे लिखेंगे, भारी आवाज़ें पढ़ें और लिखें। फिर आएगा ठ झ छ, जीम के साथ ज, थे के साथ ठ, चे के साथ छ, ठ झ छ, और इसको ऊपर से देखकर आपने नीचे लिखना है, सेम जैसे हमने पहले की कॉपी मतलब क्लास में किया है। सफ़ा नंबर 27, 28, 29 और सफ़ा नंबर 30। पहले आज की तारीख लिखेंगे, 11 अगस्त 2020। अब आएगा ढ ढ ख घ, सारे भारी हुरूफ इनके साथ मिलाकर इसी तरह पूरे सफ़े को हमने मुकम्मल करना है। आज के कितने सफ़े हैं हमारे? 4। सफ़ा नंबर 27, सफ़ा नंबर 28, सफ़ा नंबर 29, फिर आखिरी है हमारा सफ़ा नंबर 30। ये है हमारा आज का उर्दू का काम। इसको पढ़ते जाइए और लिखते जाइए, भ फ थ ठ ध ढ ख घ। जब भी हम दो तश्मीह किसी भी हुरूफ के साथ लगाते हैं तो वो भारी अल्फाज में तब्दील हो जाता है। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में। अल्लाह हाफिज। अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास, welcome to your KG2 class. Today we are going to do our science work in copy. Take out your science copy, SCI. Take out your science copies. Open your copy, new page. Today we are going to do sea animals. In the last video we have done wild animals, tame animals. Today we are going to do sea animals. Sea animals वो animals जो पानी में रहते हैं। First we have to write the date, 11th August 2020. This is also a question of Unit 2. Write CW. Start writing the question. This is question number 3. Write the names of sea animals. Sea animals, समुद्र में रहने वाले जानवर. कौन कौन से होते हैं समुद्र में रहने वाले जानवर? मछलियाँ. कौन कौन सी मछलियाँ? बहुत सारी मछलियाँ हैं. किस किस के नाम लिखेंगे? शार्क है, डॉल्फिन है, स्टारफिश है, क्रैब है, टर्टल है. सो वी हैव टू राइट ओनली 5 नेम्स. हम इससे 5 आम जानवरों के नाम लिखते हैं जो समुद्र में या पानी में रहते हैं. सबसे पहले लिखेंगे शार्क. SHARK. शार्क. SHARK. शार्क. Number 2. TURTLE. 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 Number 3. STAR. Star. Leave little gap and write FISH. Fish. Star. Fish. STAR. Star. FISH. Fish. Star. Fish. Number 4. CRAB. 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 Number 5. FROG. 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 Start again. Number 1. Shark. आप सबको पता है शार्क के बारे में. एक बड़ी सी जायंट फिश होती है. टर्टल के बारे में. स्टारफिश के बारे में. क्रैब क्या होता है? केकड़ा देखा आप लोगों ने? केकड़े को बोलते हैं क्रैब. फ्रॉग मेंढक को बोलते हैं. फ्रॉग किसको बोलते हैं? मेंढक को. प्लीज फर्स्ट लेटर should be capital and the other letters small. Number 1 shark. Number 2 turtle. Number 3 starfish. Number 4 crab. Number 5 frog. Same work you have to do on the next page. Write the date 11th August 2020. Unit 2 HW homework. Write the question. Write the names of sea animals. Number 1 same shark. Number 2 turtle. Number 3 starfish. Number 4 crab and number 5 frog. Same work you have to do on the next page. Write this work. Read the letters, read the words, write in the rough copy, learn by heart. Shark, turtle, starfish, crab, frog. See you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.